The Nka Thuto EduPropeller Bootcamp took place at Protea Hotel, the Ranch Resort in Polokwane, from the 29th of March to the 3rd of April 2025. The bootcamp kicked off immediately after the EduPropellers arrived as an icebreaker and tool to encourage collaboration, teamwork, and creating a fun and competitive environment. The EduPropellers participated in team building activities facilitated by beach and bush team building. Towards the end of the session, a winner was announced from the competing teams. Post the activity session, the EduPropellers settled into their temporary home away from home and jumped right into the Technopreneurship workshop. Letabo Mahanyele introduced the EduPropellers into 3D printing. How exciting! To sum up the day, EduPropellers, who won at the final Innovation Expo under the business category, pitched their ideas to the rest of the EduPropellers, and they had to vote for the project they want to work on. On the second day, we were graced by the presence of Nka'Thuto, where she facilitated a session on sharpening your swords, followed by James Lenzwane, who facilitated a session on the business model canvas. Ronnie Mukoma facilitated a session on value proposition. Kanye Mdluli hosted a 2-day strength-based and managing self masterclass where learners were taught how to use personal strength to understand and connect with others and to understand personal values. Learners have now developed the skill of understanding on the basis of self-management. Various mentors leading in business and STEMI spaces joined us and facilitated consultations throughout the week, helping to improve and refine the business concepts in preparation for the final pitching session. These included James Lenzwane, Refilwe Mogotu, Chuene Nka'Thuto, Ributile Lediga, Maureen Nka'Thuto, Ursula Ralepile, and Lebogang Mabatamele. The following day, we were joined by Amu Murengwa, who facilitated a session on finance, followed by Chuene Nka'Thuto, who facilitated a session on pitching. To take some time off and keep the spirit high, a pool party was organized. Homonate. And on the 4th day of the bootcamp, Arnoth Mabunda, a leading marketing expert, facilitated a session on marketing. At this point, Letabo had started with 3D printing of the learner projects. The learners consulted with one of the best brand designers in the country, Tawanda Chambe, who helped bring the business logos and slogans to life for all 10 business cases. Remember, a business identity and a corporate identity is important for your business to thrive. A business strategy session facilitated by Matsepo Malumane, who taught the important concept on how to be deliberate and strategic in business decisions in preparation for the first round of mock pitches, took place on day 5. Nka Thuto EduPropeller, giving light to new ideas.